This is Math Motes 2, Sieve of Eratosthenes. So, Eratosthenes of Cyrene was a Greek polymath who lived from 276 BC to about 194 BC. He's known for some pretty cool stuff, like being the first person to calculate the circumference of the Earth, founding scientific chronology, and his work in number theory. Specifically, his development of what would later become known as the Sieve of Eratosthenes. The Sieve of Eratosthenes is a really simple algorithm that identifies all the prime numbers up to a certain numerical limit. It does so by going through and marking off all the multiples of prime numbers up until the given limit. And probably the best way to demonstrate how this works is through an example. So say you'd like to identify all the prime numbers up until 15. You'd go ahead and list all the integers up to and including 15, starting at 2 and excluding 1, as seen below. So starting with the first prime number in the list, which in all cases will be 2, circle 2, then proceed to mark off all the multiples of 2 up until the limit. So we'd mark off 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Identify the second prime number in the list, which in this case is 3, and go ahead and mark off its multiples. So we'd go ahead and mark off 6 again, mark off 9 for the first time, mark off 12 again, and mark off 15 for the first time. The third prime number in the list is 5, and we'd go ahead and mark off 10 and 15 again. Same procedure with 7, marking off 14, and finally 11, and 13 are left. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13 are all the prime numbers up to 15. So there you have it, the Sieve of Eratosthenes, an ancient, elegant algorithm for identifying all the prime numbers up until a certain number. If you know anything about coding, it'd probably be fairly easy to write an implementation of this. And it's worth noting that if you did, it's considered far more efficient to use the Sieve of Eratosthenes to identify primes rather than, say, something like trial division. And Eratosthenes' sieve in particular is considered one of the more efficient prime number sieves out there. So kudos to him, and thanks for watching.